There were 30 cows and 28 chicken. How many didn't? 10. How does a dartboard on the ceiling make you sick? Causes you to throw up. I used to date a Welsh girl who had 32 Ds. It was a ridiculously long name. What is the difference between a dirty bus stop and a lobster that just got a boob job? One is a crusty bus station and then the other is a busty crustacean. What did Delaware? A New Jersey. Last night my house was broken into, and all they stole was soap. Dirty criminals. Cops say they got away clean. Will glass coffins ever be popular? Remains to be seen. I'm Bob Jeffy. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. These lame, groan-inducing jokes were sourced from the dad joke subreddit from reddit.com. Check the show notes page for joke credits.